case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2000 case, Grimes v. Norfolk Southern Railway Co., heard by the United States District Court for the Northern District of Indiana, train conductor Vernon Grimes had been injured in a collision caused by a car driven by Douglas A. Drury, which was parked on the tracks. Grimes filed a complaint against the railway company, Norfolk Southern Railway Company, NSRC, under the Federal Employers' Liability Act, FELA, for negligence in failing to provide a safe workplace. He separately filed a suit against Drury under Indiana common law for causing the collision. NSRC cross-claimed against Drury for the costs incurred from Grimes' medical bills. The case focused on the principle that if an employer or person's actions cause injury to an employee, the employer or person may be liable for negligence under FELA or Indiana common law. All parties filed for summary judgment, and the court heard extensive oral arguments before making a decision. The court had jurisdiction over all claims under various federal statutes relating to the circumstances of the collision and the alleged negligence of NSRC and Drury. Ultimately, the court denied the defendant's motion for summary judgment, allowing Grimes's claim to proceed to trial. The decision emphasized the importance of workplace safety and employer responsibility and liability for negligence under FELA and Indiana common law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.